In this session, we are going to look at Python if-else statement. An if-else statement allows our program to make a decision based on a condition. The condition evaluates to true or false. We can execute some code when the condition is true and other code when the condition is false. In our IDE, the condition is if you are 18 years old or older, the program will print confirm you can vote, then go vote. If not 18, then the program will print sorry, but you are not old enough to vote. Please come back when you are 18 or older. Our program will respond to the condition depending on the age. Let's start by writing a basic if statement. I'm going to type age and it will be assigned the input. What is your age? We want to receive an integer, so we place int in front of the input function. I can write an if statement to check if the value of age is greater than or equal to 18. Now, age greater than or equal to 18 is the condition. It will return true or false. Make sure to add the colon, then enter. Notice how the next line is indented with 2 spaces. That's because Python relies on indentation to determine the scope. The scope includes everything indented under the if statement. Therefore, it will be executed when the condition is true. For example, if I write 3 print statements, 2 print statements under the if condition, print, print. The third print will be on the next line, but it will not be indented. So for the first print statement, I'm going to take this value, confirm you can vote, in double quotes. And for the second one, I'm going to just write, copy and paste, then go vote. For the third print statement, I'm going to add, have a great day. It is not indented and does not belong to the if condition. That means it will print every time since it is not part of the if condition. Let's run. How old are you? 18. Confirm you can vote. Then go vote. Have a great day. Let's run again. This time, 14 is the age. Have a great day. And we still see have a great day because it's not part of the if condition. We group the Python code into blocks. A block starts and stops with the indent. So we must be careful how we indent our code. The next keyword is else with the colon. This helps our program to make a decision if someone is not 18 or older. Every statement indented under the if will be executed when it's false. If not 18, then we're going to print 2 more statements. The first statement is sorry, but you're not old enough to vote. And the second print statement is please come back when you're 18 or older. Now, I'm going to run, but at this point, we have satisfied both conditions. When the condition is true, Python will execute our print statements under the if statement. When the condition evaluates to false, then Python will ignore the print statements under the if statement, then execute the print statements under the if statement. Now, I'm going to run And let's see what happens when I enter age as 15. Sorry, but you're not old enough to vote. Please come back when you are 18 or older. Have a great day. Run again. This time, the age is 81. Confirm you can vote. Then go vote. Have a great day. So that works as expected. I have a shortcut for the if-else statement. It's called a ternary if statement. Rewrites the variable outcome. Then a value like true. True is a Boolean value that will be followed by a condition. The condition is if age is greater than or equal to 18. The purpose of a ternary if statement is to make our code concise. Now, so far, our statement satisfies the true value if age is greater than or equal to 18. Else, false. We must make the Boolean value inside a print statement a string. So I'm going to write, can you vote? And I'm going to write the plus to append the outcome. But notice how the outcome is brown, like we mentioned in the working with numbers video. But this here's a Boolean statement for true or false, but it's still not a string. So I'm going to add the string function to make true or false a string and run. What is your age? The age this time, will it be 34? Can you vote? True. Confirm you can vote. Then go vote. Have a great day. Run again. 12. Can you vote? Is false. Sorry, but you're not old enough to vote. Please come back when you are 18 or older. Have a great day. That's it for if-else statements in Python. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.